Hi, okay, so I'm not gonna make this too long because the rest of this video is gonna be kind of long, but for the past, like, not even a month, a little over a month, I've been planning on making this video. There was a trend that was going on TikTok a while back, and it was also a thing on YouTube, and I was like, you know what, I want to try it. For the longest time, I've been looking for like some type of camcorder or camera that could have a vintage look, like the 90s camcorders and stuff. So I looked that up, and a lot of people were getting this certain camera that you can get off Amazon. Well, it's a child's camera. I had a little camcorder. It was like a little cheap camcorder back when I was a teenager. It was something quick and it was cheap. My parents got it for me, and it was very bad quality, and the sound sounded horrible. And I think after me just messing around with it for a while, I put it away, and I honestly don't know what happened to it, but I know it was like a red, cheap little camcorder. To be honest, this camcorder is like, the quality is a lot more nicer than that one, but it has a vintage look to it. The camcorder is this one, and this is it right here. It's just a little tiny kid's camera, and look how big it is. It's as big as my hand, and you just open it up, and it has these buttons, and has little paw prints on it, and the box is a little dirty because I just set it somewhere and stuff spilled on it. It comes with all this stuff. It already came with a SD card, and it comes with those USB SD card things. It comes with a charger. It comes with a little strap to put on it that I have not put on it at all, and a little baggie to put it in to keep it protected. It's kind of like a little purse. By the way, this isn't bad quality. This is actually pretty nice quality. And it comes with this stickers to put where the paw prints are. And it comes with this little galaxy thing. And I'm assuming the galaxy thing goes right there. But to show you what it does when you turn it on real quick, this is what it does. You turn it on, it shows that little, like, little kids playing and stuff, and it shows a camera, shows a video camera, and then you have like games and settings and all that. And the weird part is that you gotta push it, and then push the record button, and there you go. See? Yeah. That's basically the concept of it. It's just, it comes with these little things, and you put stickers on, and you give them to your kid. But there was a trend going around to get these little cameras. There's even another design as well, that if I find it, I'll put it up here, that you could get, and it has this vintage look to it. Well, I ended up buying it. It was like at least $26, and for the past like over a month, I've been randomly pulling this out and recording little things. So I have a little montage to play, and it's basically all the footage that I did here and there to give it the vintage look. And it has some music on it, and it's just a good example of what the quality looks like, and all that. The first video is a video of my cat before the date was set up, and it says March something, but the other days were the correct days. So all through August and a little bit at the beginning of September, I recorded. So I don't want to drag this out anymore. Here's the montage of how the video quality and what it looks like, what it does. Let's see. Look how tiny this is. was the montage. I just want to say thank you for watching. This is a good example of what it looks like when you record on this type of camera. If you want to get it for your kid or yourself, I'll put the link in the description of the exact one that I bought off Amazon, and maybe you could get it for yourself to record vintage looking stuff, or give it to your kid, because it's a pretty simple camera that your kid could play with too and record stuff. So bye.